Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to read The Bird with a Broken Wing. There once was a bird with a broken wing who could not fly and would not sing. She sulked and cried as she could not do anything she wanted to. She could not soar and could not glide, and left intensely sad inside. She had not flown for almost a year. The pain had taken all her cheer. Now, said her father, I have heard that there is a wise and powerful bird. He can get you on the mend and bring your suffering to an end. The wise bird house was far away. They'd have to fly all night and day. For a little flitting, the trek was long, but she had her father to ride upon. So the little bird with a broken wing, who could not fly and would not sing, was perched at rest in her father's back. They left the nest to set on track. So off they flew over grass and trees, above the oceans and mountains and seas, through wind and rain and frost and fog, in sleet and snow and dust and smog. Together they soared past forests and moors. Above was land and desert, the delicate shores. And soon they could see that they set out to find the wise birds dueling the mastermind. So the little bird with a broken wing, who could not fly and would not sing, had come a long way to get intensive treatment from the vet. Good day, boomed a voice from inside the cave. It's time for you to be quite brave. Your father will be going home, and you'll be here with me alone. There is a lot of work to do. The recovery will be up to you. Make sure you follow my advice. It will be hard, but that's the price. Each day, you will be sure to eat the food I tell you. Do not cheat. I'll give you tips on how to move your wing to get it to improve. You must eat porridge for meal 1. Then fast the worms inside a bun and snack on nuts and berries too, and finish the day with beetles too. The wise old bird continued to explain what else she had to do. For week 1, we need to start to spread your wings quite far apart. 1 week, 2. On week 2, you'll need to try to flap your wing in prep to fly. And finally, when you make week 3, you'll jump and glide from the tree to a tree. So the little bird with a broken wing, could not fly and would not sing, worked hard to do what she was told, to persevere and be brave and bold. Week 1 was hard for the little bird. To stretch her wings did really hurt. She knew she had to carry on to get her poor wing to be strong. On week 2, she seemed to be able to move her wings pain-free. And when the week was nearly through, she realized what she had to do. The third week came and finally she perched herself up on a tree. She glanced on down from the great height and spread her wings and leaped for flight. A voice came up from down below. "You done so well. It's time to go. Fly straight home to your family," said the wise old bird with joy and glee. "Thanks so much," the little bird said. She waved goodbye and off she sped. So then she flew over deserts, shores, and wastelands, and forests, and desolate moors, in sleet and snow, and dust and smog, through wind and rain, and fog and fog. She soared above oceans, and mountains and seas, and over the forests and grasslands green. She swooped on down towards her nest to meet her father, who was pressed the utmost joy, and hugged her tight. "You're back," he said with such delight. "Well done, good work. I'm so proud. You believe in yourself," he exclaimed aloud. "You showed great courage and bravery too, and did everything you had to do." So the little bird and her father flew up to the sky and onto the blue. They swooped and soared and had much to do. The week was manned and the work was done. She once was a bird with a broken wing, but now she flies and loves to sing. The end. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this book, subscribe and press the thumbs up.